Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have owner or device administrator access. This is required to change dialer behavior. Once done, backup settings and enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This gives access to advanced toggles. Make sure the phone is charged and on Wi-Fi so any required APKs or updates download reliably. Now open settings and go straight to apps, then find your default phone app. You'll make controlled changes there to remove the emergency call shortcut safely. Next, you modify the phone app and lock screen behavior. First, disable overlays and notifications for the default phone app so it cannot present the emergency shortcut. Then, if you have ADB access, you can use package manager commands to disable or restrict the emergency dialer component. This step requires exact component names and owner permissions, so proceed carefully. Finally, change your lock screen or launcher policy to hide the emergency shortcut. Enterprise device management or a custom launcher can enforce that reliably. To finish, reboot the device and test every entrance point: lock screen, power menu, and incoming call UI. Make sure emergency calls are no longer accessible while normal dialing still works. If the emergency option persists, revert the last change, verify you used the correct package/component names and that you had owner privileges, then retry with the corrected command. Keep a restoration plan, know how to re-enable the emergency component, so you can undo the change immediately if it causes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.